Kittie Fans, it's Kayli, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I've been using for all my YouTube banners and my profile pictures. I've been using them to customize my own. It's like super easy, like it's just amazing. I've been using it for months and months now, starting from when I first used, like starting from like a couple months ago. Not when I first started my YouTube channel, but yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys today what I use for my YouTube banners, profile pictures. I customize them all, and you guys could, see every single one little bit that I use. So, and it's totally free. Like, it's super free. It's, like, amazing. So, it's called Canva. I've been using it quite a lot. So, Canva, Canva, and then you can just search canva.com. And then it says that use a YouTube banner, but it's actually, like it's not going to be using a YouTube banner. You could choose it as a YouTube banner, or you could choose it as like a profile. So I found this, and then all you have to do is you just says start designing your YouTube channel art. It's totally free. You could do any design that you want on it. So, like one of my favorite websites that I love to use. So after when it loads, you have a template here. You can upload your own like pictures and everything like that. You could upload any other your own pictures, or you could just go over here and search, whatever. You could even search some elements like, let's say I want this one, but mostly you would want a background. So all you have to do is go scroll down and you see these BKGR or something like that. Click on that and you got a whole bunch of backgrounds. You could even search backgrounds like cat backgrounds or whatever animal backgrounds you like. Unicorn background, pony background, any background you would possibly want. It's all here. I searched up on a yellow background, and you could even customize your own background. Like, let's say I want this kind of baby pink background. This little background. Super duper cute. Customize it. And let's say I want this kind of shade. You could even go from this ombre color, like this light color, all the way faded into this dark purple. You could choose whatever you want. Let's say I just want this, or maybe I want this ombre color. It's gonna be like this kind of fading in. And then you could go over here to elements and then choose any elements you would like. Let's say I want this one. And also if you did it like there's gonna be some things that says pro. Some pro things is like these one with the crown, you need to pay for it. So unless if you can pay for it or you paid for this whole entire Canva thing, you won't be able to use these, with the crown one that says pro. So let's say I want this little heart. And then you could add some text. So there's a whole bunch of texts here that you could try out and play around with. Like this one or welcome little one. Or any of these, very cool one. You could even like send this for someone's birthday or, any type of celebrations. You could, send this around and make them you made them their own personal like banner or something and they could print it out and then, hang it on. Amazing. And it's good for decoration too. Like if you are having like a YouTube banner, I would totally suggest you guys to, try this, whole entire canvas thing out. It's free. The best thing is that it's free. So let's say I want, this party one. I think it's super cool and fun. Ooh, yay, party. Well, you could delete it by easily just going like delete. And then you could even change the text if you want. And by the way, you guys can change the size of it, the color of it, the boldness, and all of the everything. So it's all completely under control, under your control. You can do anything you would like with it. Colors, size, everything. And then you could get some videos of it and then pop it there. Or you could, I've never really used the template before or the audio. So you guys could check those out if you would like, but I only use like the simple ones and it's like super easy. Even like a baby could do it, which is amazing. Everything is very easy and it all lists them down so you don't have to go like, oh, it's 9 to 10, I have to do this and this and this. No, just super easy. You could just do whatever you want. And then after you're done, you have to click download. And it does not take forever. Like, it does not take forever. And then you could choose any of these thingies, or you could just, do the suggested ones, and then you could download it. And it does not take a long time. And then after when I done my YouTube banners, you could just kind of swap them up a bit, however you would like. So this is basically a super easy little tutorial of how to use Canvas. And, the amazing, amazing, amazing little whole tutorial here. So if you like this video, smash the like button and we'll see you in my next video. Bye!